Okay, if you are new to 3D printers and you're feeling a little intimidated, don't worry. I felt the exact same way. So when my two young kids, my 10-year-old and my 7-year-old, asked for a 3D printer for Christmas, I was really nervous because I didn't know if we would be able to figure it out. I've seen some of them and they look really complicated and I was really nervous. But I did some research and this was recommended for beginners, and I think that we've done really good. I've been really proud of some of the things that we have printed. So I'm going to show you some of the things we printed at the end of this. I'm also going to show you the software system too, and then give you a little bit of tips and tricks that I've found. So once again, I am a mom with young kids. I have no special training in all of this. I've just kind of figured it out as we go. So if I can do it, I know you can too. So this is what the machine looks like when it's all set up. It's not too big. It's turned on right now. It's not printing, but you can hear the fan that's running. So it's quiet. I'll show you what it sounds like while it's printing as well. It's not loud. So what you do is you get it all set up. It didn't take us very long to get it all set up. I think maybe like 45 minutes to get it all set up. You get it all set up, and then primarily you're going to do most of everything through the software, and that's where you're going to be sending the files to the printer. And that's where it gets a little intimidating, but I'll do a quick walkthrough and give you my tips and tricks on how that works. One thing that I didn't know until after I started printing was if you lift this up, this is how you'll get things off to come off really easily. So you first always start off by cleaning it with some of this. You just wipe it down, and then you get a glue and you put some glue on it. And you want little, not a lot. I learned that, a little, not a lot. So then you'll put it back on the plate, and then you'll send your file to it. Once the file is done being printed, you just lift this up and you kind of like bend it. You can see how it's just like a little bit flexible, and that'll make it pop right off. So that's a little tip that we have learned on here. This is what the filament is. This is what you'll use. There's lots of fun colors. I got this one on Amazon too, and we really liked it. So let me show you what it looks like from the side and back, and then I'm going to show you a little quick demo of what the software looks like, and then some of the things we've printed and how long it's taken.
I just wanted to show you that even beginners can do this. So when you first open up your screen, you'll bring your file in. So I've dropped these two files so that you could see what it looks like. So on the home screen, you can move around so you can see your item. You can click on your item, and up here you can move it around as well, or resize it, whatever you want to do. It's also really nice because this software is going to help guide you. So like if I get this too close, a warning is going to pop up saying these are too close. Or if I get something that's too far over, it's going to warn me as well. So once you have your items listed the way that you want them, you come over here. I'm going to do just one for right now so you can see just one. So I have just this one. You'll click preview, and then it's going to load all the different splice levels, and then you get this detailed breakdown. So I'm not even going to pretend like I know what all of these mean. What I do know is that it tells me the time, how long it's going to take to print this. And then down here, if there's any errors, you'll get some down here. So like if the file has floating regions, or if like it can sense that it needs supports, it's going to tell you right here. So I've been able to print pretty simple designs just because I know that it's going to help guide me with errors. Honestly too, ChatGPT has been my friend with this. So what I would do is I would drop my file in, and then I would take a screenshot of this and put it in ChatGPT, and then I would put my settings, what are over here, and ask it if this is a good printing settings for what I'm trying to print, and it has helped me. And it has gotten everything right so far. So you would I suggest if you're new, use ChatGPT to kind of go through each one of these different screens, send it screenshots, and then it will tell you if it's going to print or right or not. So once you have all your settings right, you'll then go to print plate, and then you would click your printer and then hit send. So that's as easy as it is to use the software. Here's how long some of my printed items took. This Hello Kitty keychain took about 45 minutes. This little puzzle took about 1.5 hours. This Superman ducky took about 1 hour 45 minutes. This raccoon, this articulating raccoon, took about 4 hours. This very detailed toothless dragon with the moving wings took about 10 hours. And then this very large lightning dragon took about 20 hours. And as you can see, it is very big and very detailed. Okay, so I just sent that file that I was showing you to the 3D printer, and I wanted to show you what it sounds like while it's printing. So it's not too loud while it's printing either. Okay, so if you're feeling a little intimidated with the 3D printer, I just wanted to show you this to say that if I can figure it out, I know that you can too. So this is a very beginner-friendly option, and yeah, I hope that you enjoy yours.